Hi there, this is Irene welcoming you back to our YouTube channel, the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. We are here to meet all your needs and answer all your questions when it comes to residential and commercial architecture and project management. If this is your first time joining us, as always, you are very welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've been with us for some time now, thank you very much for keeping it locked. Everything we bring to you is for free. We don't charge you anything. Enjoy our content. Support us by liking, by sharing our videos, and of course by subscribing if you have not. Due to public demand, we bring to you yet another 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. Please join me as we go through the GG 3-bedroom bungalow. The GG 3-bedroom bungalow house plan is a nice medium-sized bungalow, perfect for a small family. Bungalows tend to utilize space very well, and this is the case with this plan. No wasted space. A key feature to highlight on this house plan is the huge floor-to-ceiling windows. It also features a sunken lounge. There's something so elegant about the sunken lounge and the grand windows that bring in natural light into the home. It's simply elegant. You also have the option of having a chimney in this home. That makes it great for cold areas. This home design has a covered side entrance porch that brings you into the inside. Right at the entrance, you have the visitor's cloakroom that is tucked away at the corner, very good in terms of privacy. Something interesting to note about the visitor's bathroom is the fact that this bathroom is shared by the visitors and also by the 3rd bedroom. Right ahead, you have a set of stairs that take you down to the sunken living room with a corner fireplace. Another set of stairs take you up to the spacious dining room. You have a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a hatch connecting the kitchen and the dining room. You have a fully enclosed kitchen yard that can work well as a dobby area or even as a fully fitted laundry area. All the bedrooms are located towards the back. The master bedroom is on one side with a walk-in closet and a master bathroom. The 2nd bedroom is an ensuite bedroom, meaning it has its own private bathroom. The 3rd bedroom also operates as an ensuite bedroom. This is because there is a door that leads to the shared bathroom. So from this bedroom, you can be able to access that bathroom. And this bathroom can also be accessed from the outside by your visitors. This is a very nifty feature. It allows the 3rd bedroom to feel like an ensuite bedroom, but you do not have to build an extra bathroom for your visitors. The plinth dimension of this house plan, what we call the footprint, is 16.4 meters by 13.2 meters. With this footprint, this house plan is suitable for a 50 by 100, an 1/8 acre piece of land. The total area of this house plan is a total of 158 square meters. You need a budget of approximately 5.5 million to 6 million to comfortably put up this house plan. The budget figure we have given is extracted from the Construction Cost Handbook. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to have in mind, but always remember there are a lot of factors that can affect the cost of construction in different parts of the country. And that is the GG 3-bedroom bungalow house plan with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Thank you for joining us in this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I'll see you in our next video.